to my viewers. How are you? How are you guys? Ako na magtatanong sa inyo. You don't want to ask me naman. So, I'm going to ask you naman. To my viewers, how are you? Wala. Wala naman. They are fine maybe. You're fine. Okay. Okay. How was your day? No, ganun. How's your day? How's your day? Comment. Hello to my viewers. Hello. How are you? Kamusta? 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 How are you? Ano ba? I don't know kasi ito ang English. English Tagalog mo. Ganyan. Pero, I'm not good in English talaga. You can ask me, guys. Shout out to my viewers. Hello sa inyo. Welcome to my live. Yeah, drop your name if you want to shout out your name, guys. Just drop your name in the comment section. And ano lang. Well, if you want to send me a sticker, it's okay. I appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Kita na yung ano ko. Yan. Kita na yung aking mga nilagay sa mukha. Hindi effective. Effective yung kinakain kong gamis. Sige, wala kayo. Watch and send sticker, guys. Akong masabi, wala akong masabi. More, I need tissue. Look, guys, hello to my viewers. Nararanin mo sa inyo kapag nasa front of Hello to my viewers, how are you? Kamusta? Mabuhay, proteins, chat. And you can comment, guys. You can ask me, ano naman. Ay, nakakabala ng English. I'm not good in English talaga, so I don't know what to say. I'm still learning how to speak English. I want to learn English. English language, gusto ko maging magaling mag-English. I'm not good talaga in English. Sorry. Hello, shout out to my viewers. I have viewers, but excuse me, I'm not the shit. Hello, guys. Thank you sa mga viewers